Are you going to read a story?
Yeah. Smallest things can hide the greatest horrors. The bone-chilling reaper was trained by death itself to be a wicked, loyal servant who retreats in the shadows, patiently watching and calculating which soul he will take next. His glowing red eyes are windows into the void, where the souls he's taken scream endlessly at a fever pitch for eternity. When he pops up at you, it's not a mistake. It's the moment your soul is doomed. The blood curdling screams or last things you'll ever hear. The screaming reaper, death's painful and he will not rest until you lift the last soul out from every single living person.
Okay. Now you want to say this is the unboxing of
Screaming Reaper. This is the unboxing of Screaming Reaper.
and where do you get that from?
Spirt Halloween.
Spirt Halloween 2026.
The head.
You want to help him, Corey? Try to help him get that out. He usually has your dad do it, but you're down there.
Yeah.
Quotes and the instructions. The hand, the
Shoulders.
shoulder.
Is that an arm?
I think so. The other hand. And it.
That's probably the.
Yeah, the adapter. Yeah, it's the adapter. It's the adapter.
Yep.
And the other arm, the head. I'm gonna do that.
Yep, the head reveal last. Oh, look at that. That's his body.
I'm assuming so. I'm assuming so.
Chill. Chill. Like this. And that's basically it.
That's all?
Oh, got the
No,
base.
no.
Oh, the base. Okay. You want to do your head reveal?
Not yet.
He's trying to take all the.
Oh, okay. I gotcha.
There we go.
What's that?
The control box.
The control box. Okay.
And I think it's in the kitchen.
What's he?
Scissors.
We need scissors for.
Like,
Got the zip ties on the bottom.
Here, give it to Daddy, baby.
Listen, shit.
like the base is like zip tied. So here's the
Oreo.
Alright.
Oh.
And the base.
And also these for outdoors.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Always have to do that. If you have outdoor rink, you always have to have those. And it's outdoor. Finally, we have the head. Oh, it's kind of nice.
All right, turn 'em.
And the reveal. Oh.
That's nice.